Hey everyone! In today's short video, we'll show you how to change your first and last name in the Grok AI app. This feature works on both iPhone and Android devices. So let's get started. Open the Grok AI app, and on the main screen, tap the 3 lines menu icon in the top left corner. When the new page opens, scroll down to the bottom where you can see your profile and current name. To edit it, tap the settings option next to your profile. On the next screen, you'll see your profile picture, name, and the email address linked to your Grok AI account. You'll notice a small pencil icon on your profile picture. Tap it. A new page will appear showing fields where you can enter your new first and last name. These fields are already filled in, so you just need to edit them. Once you're done, simply tap Save in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. As you can see, changing your name in the Grok AI app is super easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming Grok AI tutorials.